Hello guys and girls, today we'll see one of my specials, B and C, Baileys with coffee, of course, the healthy way. So this cocktail is served in a martini glass with 1 shot of espresso and the non-alcoholic Baileys that I created in a previous video. As you can see, the preparation very similar to Baileys, and it should be cold. So we will have a layer of Baileys cold and an espresso shot hot there. And at the end, we put some powder on top of the Baileys. So that's called the B and C, made by David Brown. Let's see. This is cold and this is hot. Wow. Let's try it. To your health, David Brown. When it goes inside, you have this Baileys touch, cold, and it's strange because when you touch it, it's hot at the same time. This is yin yang. I really love it. Please try it home and enjoy it.